In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Gmail effortlessly. Whether you're new to Gmail or simply want to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once there, log in using your Gmail credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main Gmail page, which serves as your dashboard. In the top right corner, you'll notice a grid or a waffle icon, which is essentially your Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click on that icon. This menu provides quick access to all Google products, but for today, we're focusing on contacts. Once you've clicked on the grid icon, a panel will drop down showing various Google applications. Here, you want to locate and click on the Contacts icon. This is where you manage all your saved contact information. Clicking the Contacts icon will open a new tab dedicated to Google Contacts. From this point, you're ready to add new contacts. In the Google Contacts page, take your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll find an option labeled Create Contact. Clicking this will prompt a small menu with two options: Create a Contact and Create Multiple Contacts. For now, we will focus on adding a single contact, so select Create a Contact. A new form will pop up on your screen where you can input the contact details. Start by entering the name of the person, followed by their email address. You can also include other details like phone number, organization, or any notes about the contact. The more information you provide, the easier it will be to manage your contacts later. After you have filled out all the necessary details, click the Save button located at the bottom of this form. Once you have saved this contact, they'll appear in your contact list. You can now find this contact quickly using the search bar at the top of the Google Contacts page, saving you time when you need to reach out to them. Remember, keeping your contact list updated ensures seamless communication and helps maintain clean records. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new contact to your Gmail account. Before you wrap up, consider exploring more features in Google Contacts, such as creating contact labels or importing contacts from other platforms. These options offer a deeper level of organization for your email interactions. Thanks for following along in this guide. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on managing contacts in Gmail. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day.